Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I've had a question asked of, can you do a string pull on a dry painting? Now here's the thing is with a dry painting, the string won't pull because you need some liquid or something to pull it through. So what we're gonna try is I have this painting that was kind of a bit of a mistake and it's just a background at this point. I do like it, but anyways, I'm going to try to add some string pull flowers on top of it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just use Floetrol so that it doesn't affect the coloring at all. I have not tried this before. I do not know if it will work. That's why I'm kind of trying it on a painting that's not super important to me, just in case. So I'm trying to just get like a real thin layer on here. And Floetrol dries clear, just so you guys know. This is literally just to give something to pull the paint through. And I'm going to try to just do them on the left side over here. Or sorry, the right side. Okay. So here we go. Okay, so that actually worked way better than I thought, and I learned some really cool things here. So first of all, I learned you need a lot less paint than on a normal string pull, because you're not mixing with another color, and you don't have another color in the background that's kind of pulling from it and intertwining. If you don't want to get the solid parts like this, you just use a lot less paint, and that way you can get more of the reactions like this, which I love. This part, not super thrilled with. That's okay. I think what I will do so that this won't be just a white blob is I'm going to actually go over it with a little bit of blue, just to give it a little more interest, and then I'm going to leave it alone. I got a drop here, but since this is a dry painting, I think I can just wipe it off, I hope. Let's see, especially since it has the Floetrol on it. Okay. Okay, good. So it's a little hard to get it controlled. I don't want to do too much more to it. I don't want to mess it up. I kind of like how that looks. Let's go ahead and we'll let this dry, and then we'll come back and we'll see how it looks once this is no longer all cloudy and stuff over there. All right, we're back. It's not 1000% dry. You can still see a couple little cloudy areas, but it's pretty dry, and you can see the background now is popped back through. So I actually really like how this came out. It's something I think I'm going to need to play around with a little bit more to get better control over it. But I think overall the experiment worked really well. So let's go ahead and we'll do our close-up. So this is the part that I like, with kind of the lacing there where it's not super solid. But I think also using two colors on this was a good idea, since it doesn't have the background color to mix with. I think that just gives it a little bit more. Definitely not a perfect string pull by any means, but really good experiment. And I think it goes quite well with this background, and now makes this into a painting that I'm a lot more happy with. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Please do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.